Today I bought my CarPlay at the best price, with the best cost benefit, which you can also buy and save a lot of money. And remember that CarPlay is a plug-and-play, okay? This is the one I'm recommending to you. Remember that I'm not a salesman, I'm just telling you where I bought it from. Everything arrived to me in perfect condition and works perfectly, okay? So let's go, I'll show you here. In the case of CarPlay, when you buy it, you'll have it on your original multimedia center, right? You'll have navigation, Apple Maps, Google Maps, you'll have synchronization, you'll be able to have Netflix too if you want to put Netflix on the screen, among many other things. And one detail, you'll also be able to both directly use the screen of your cell phone, right, to make changes, right, to the functions you want, and you'll also be able to use the original car controls, right, those controls that are there on the center console. You'll also be able to move around and configure the entire screen on your central console, right there, right below where you have all the controls. So, guys, I'm going to leave a video for you, right? Now that I'm talking to you, I'm going to leave the video showing you how it works in my car, all the functions, everything that works in it so you can see it in operation, right? Both video mirroring, audio mirroring, WhatsApp, among many other functions directly here in this video. But well, guys, first I'm going to show you how you're going to make the connection using this system. Okay, here we have the Apple cable. It doesn't need to be original. In this case, this one here, it's not original from Apple, but you'll need the cable from the original input of your iPhone or Android to be able to make the connection, okay? So let's connect the cable here. We connect the cable here. We can now put the cell phone aside, okay? So we won't need it anymore. Here we have the navigation option here on the steering wheel. So you're going to press and hold it for 3 seconds. That's it, now it's connected. We've already seen it on the screen, it's already opened CarPlay for you. So let's go. Here on the phone, you can leave it even with the screen off, okay? It will keep everything working. So, with the screen off, the phone locked, it keeps everything there properly. Here we have the phone option. So, you're going to click here and there's show contacts. So, you'll have your entire contact list. Up at the top, you have the recent ones. You also have the contacts option, there's the keyboard option to be able to make calls and voicemail, okay guys? We also have the Waze option here, so open Waze. Here it will appear directly on the screen for you. We have the option to return you to the initial screen. Remember that with this option you'll be able to move everything here using the car's original joystick. You won't lose the original functions, so you can use it here to move around the screen directly here with the joystick, which I think is really cool. Okay, so let's go back to the screen. Now I'll show you. We have the home button option here. So, click it and it goes back to the original, the messaging option, the option to play a video, something like that. We also have maps here, which is really cool, which will already maintain that system where you can see the streets, which is really cool, okay. In fact, all the audio from Waze and Maps that will be output to your car's stereo, it will already pair and will also send the sound along, okay? So, we'll also have the Spotify option here, which is certified by Apple. So, you can have Spotify and you'll be able to see the songs you want to choose here. You have the option there, in this case, of your albums or your playlists, okay. You can change them too. Library option, there you have playlists, songs, albums, artists, podcasts that you like to watch. You can go back here to play the audio, to listen to the music and also to skip the song forward or back in the album you are on. You will always be able to use all of this directly on the car's original joystick, okay? Guys, let's go to the home screen. I'll show you what else we have here. We also have WhatsApp, which is on the second page, okay, so you also have the WhatsApp option. So I'll give you a brief summary here. You will have phone, messages, video playback, Google Maps, Spotify, Waze. And that's on the next screen. WhatsApp too, okay guys, so you will have access to all of this. When you receive a WhatsApp message, the WhatsApp screen will appear, all nice and small, for you to see. You have access to everything on Spotify, including Apple Music, You will also have the Apple Music app here to use everything properly, okay? Guys, we also have mirroring, right? So you'll be able to watch videos on your cell phone, like YouTube or anything else. I'm posting a video here for you to watch on your cell phone, playing directly on the screen with the audio directly in the car. Well, guys, if you liked CarPlay and are interested in purchasing it for your car, leave a comment or send us an email at nomotorsport@gmail.com and we'll tell you the price of the product and the installation price. Remember that we're from Sao Paulo, so we don't install outside of Sao Paulo, okay? If you're from outside of Sao Paulo, you'll have to come to Sao Paulo for us to install it. If you're not from Sao Paulo, but you have some knowledge, we can help with the installation too, okay? Guys, this product here is a reasonably priced product on the market. This is an option for those who don't have CarPlay in their car and want to have CarPlay practically factory installed, because it's very well made, it looks really cool, there's no wire cutting, nothing like that. So this is the only solution we've found on the market to give you the option of CarPlay with Waze, Google Maps, WhatsApp and everything else, okay guys? So if you're interested, leave a comment or send us an email and we'll get in touch and give you everything in detail, step by step, okay? If you liked the video or have a friend who's interested in installing CarPlay or has an Audi, leave a comment or send the video to your friends so they can share it and learn about this system too. And we don't have anything for Volkswagen yet, but I hope that in the future we'll be able to get something for Volkswagen in the same style, which will be really cool too. Volkswagens can have CarPlay, even those that did not come with original factory CarPlay, especially since this